Okay, that's enough. Oh, you put more butter in there.
Hey guys, it's Deepica and I am back in Houston, Texas, well, Sugarland. And I'm here with Mama Pandu. It's been a very long time since we've done a cooking video for my channel, although Mama Pandu over here has been getting better about posting on your channel.
I don't know.
Slowly but surely, we're getting there. She's got shrimp curry up, she's got some vegetarian dishes, seafood dishes, so you guys better be sure to subscribe to her channel. The info to subscribe to my channel and Mama Pandu's channel are in the description below. But for videos that Mom and I do for my channel, cooking-wise, we're keeping it simple for people like me who are cooking dummies. Mama Pandu and I are gonna show you how to make masala corn on the cob. Barbecue, summertime, easy snack that you can do in 5 minutes, right?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, easy on the go, but it took me 2 hours in 2 grocery stores to get corn.
And then you call me 10 times. Mom, what do I have to look? Which one I have to find? Where to find? Is it from the frozen section?
I didn't know if I was supposed to get the corn that's in this thing. I didn't know, is it like bananas? If it gets ripe and it's not, or avocados, it has to be a certain kind of green. I didn't know. And then I saw that they have some white. Is it better to be white or yellow? This nice lady at HEB told me that it's good to be white.
Well, it's okay. White or yellow is okay. What we
well,
eat.
she happened to be white, so.
No, it's
all you need to do it is what, Mom? 1 piece of corn.
Yes, you need a corn.
First of all, you said you have to get the ones that are in this. It's more fresh.
Yes, more fresh. Always get the one with the skin on, and then just peel it. You know that. It's very easy. You can just peel it off completely. They're very healthy and strong, good ones.
See, I picked good ones.
Yeah, you did good. So once it's come like this, you just break it.
Oh, wow.
That's it. Once you peel it, it will be like this. And you have a little butter. I just have the butter stick
little
here.
Being a lot, let's be real.
But little bit to wipe on the corn, okay? And then you need a lemon and you need a chili powder and you can put little salt also. I'm going to put it in the microwave. Maybe I'll put it in microwave like maybe 5 minutes.
Do you wrap it in something?
Yeah, what I do, I wrap it with the tissue paper. I'll just put it in the microwave.
Okay.
In the microwave, first let's put these two like this, and then I put it in the plate, and then I put it in the microwave. 5 minutes. Just put it 5 minutes so it will cook little bit inside. Once it's cooked little bit inside, then I'm going to go to put it on the stove. But the stove either you can use in the grill and the stove has to be the gas stove,
easier.
not the electric stove. It has to be the gas stove. So you have to have the flame, okay? Okay, now it's on. So now look at the steam coming. But now when I go to the stove, we have to go to the stove now.
Oh, that's next.
Yeah, that's the next.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
I literally come home and she's making this. I'm like, Mom, this looks like it's so yummy and easy to do. She's like, I make it like every day. I'm like, oh, I should show people how easy it is.
So now I'm going to turn on my stove on and then I'm going to put this directly here like this.
This looks like a hazard. Should I be worried about my safety?
Well, you stand here until it's finished. It's not a big thing. It's just like a grill. You can use knife if you have any knife. Put knife here like this. You can do it like that. It's easy. You don't have to worry about that.
Smart.
Yeah.
And you just keep turning it?
Yeah. Just keep turning it. When you put it like this, smoky taste comes for the corn. That tastes good. So mostly what I do like this better. Like this. So it will stay. It will pop up like that. Yeah.
I posted on Instagram just now that I don't know how to pick corn. And somebody said you'll never get married. It's like, whatever. He can make
Don't turn it out so fast. I mean, it has to be like this. Then turn the other side like that.
It's like roasted marshmallows.
Oh, okay. See, the smell is coming. It tastes really good. Look at that.
Wow.
You can see. See, little bit of like this. It comes, it's so good. Just watch the fire closely. I mean, don't bring any small children.
Good advice, Mom.
Yes, don't bring any children closely, but it's like a grill. So always wherever is the flame, you put it that.
So this is really to anyone's liking. They can do it as burnt as they want. Or
yes. Some people burn so much, but I know it's little bit is good, like this. Look at that, everywhere is little the black spots. That means it touches all the corn seed.
That looks good.
Yeah, it's good and it tastes good. I'm telling you, it's so sweet and chala excellent.
Can't talk in Telugu, Mom.
I know. Sometimes I get chala baguntundi. Now it's done. right? So turn off that. Okay, you already have this one, right? So use this, your butter stick, cut the quarter stick and then just wipe it off while it's warm, little bit. Like
melting.
This. Yeah, melting that around that thing little bit. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, then I already cut the lemon. Oh, you put more butter in there. Just wipe this also, same thing.
Like pour it.
I mean, you don't have to do that, you just wipe it off. Yeah, like that too. So now little bit of salt. I put the salt here on the spoon. So now sprinkle the salt little bit. Don't put too much. And then same thing. Little bit of the chili powder.
Where do people get chili powder?
Chili powder, any grocery stores, Whole Foods, even Sam's and Costco has the
chili powder?
Yeah, it's a Sam's and Costco has the chili powder also.
It smells spicy, like you smell it.
Smell it. Yeah, like that, little bit. Just don't put too much. I mean, you may not eat. You can just wipe with.
Good idea.
Just put it that. And I usually put that with like that. Yeah, with the pepper, tissue paper. Don't put too much every time. The one time is enough. You put it around the corn.
But then you're rubbing off the butter, but that's a good thing.
That's okay. That's okay. That whatever you put, the butter is enough.
Yeah,
that's enough. Now you can just take this napkin, hold it.
My mouth is
take it out,
salivating.
and then eat it.
Yeah, but you cut it in half.
Well, if you want, you can do that also. I can do it, cut it like this with just hand.
Is there any other masala flavors you can add to it?
Yes. In Indian stores, you can see chaat masala. The name is Badshah chaat masala. This is also a different flavor. It's not going to be very spicy, but it is a little different flavor. You like it?
I love it. Did you try it? You did good, Mom.
It is so good.
It's impossible to look cute eating this.
Of course. But a very good snack, and it's very healthy snack also.
Good job, Mommy. I learned something new. Alright.
You picked a good one, Deepica.
I know. Well, thank you guys for what? Mommy, where'd you go? Definitely be sure to let us know down below what else you want to see Mama Pandu teach you guys on my channel, what other complicated dishes you want to see on her channel, and subscribe. I cannot believe she already has like 45,000 views on like all of her videos and stuff. It's kind of insane. Her Instagram's down there too. Be sure to follow us both, and until next time, let's go finish eating this corn.
Thank you. Please do this. It's really good.
Meanwhile, Dad's over there snoring. Happy eating, folks. Yum.